Bella is going to be taking photos at the Grand Blanc football game this Friday. She needs to check out a camera body and a camera lens. First, she's going to check out the body. She goes to the calendar of the camera that she wants, and she fills out the day. She's going to be taking it all weekend, so she puts her name on the day that she's taking it until the day that she'll return. I mean, if you're taking it for the weekend, then you can go the whole weekend. Next, she's got to check out a lens. So she takes the lens folder, flips it to the page of the lens that she wants. She puts her name down on the day that she's taking it, and then the day that it'll be back. Next, Bella's gonna walk over to both camera cabinets, open them up, take her Velcros. The editors are on the right cabinet, and the staffer Velcros are on the left cabinet, and there are two Velcros. One is where you put your camera, where you're going to check it out, and the other is where you put your camera lens, where you're going to check it out. And so she's going to put the camera body on T3i number 2 and take that camera. Then she'll walk over to the lens cabinet and put her Velcro on 50mm number 1. She'll open up the cabinet, look at the tag to make sure she's taking the correct lens, and then she's going to take the lens, close the drawer, and then close each cabinet. One last step, Bella's going to check each thing in the bag, make sure that there is a camera body and 2 batteries along with a battery charger. And she will check the camera to make sure that there's an SD card in the camera, and if there's not any of those things, she will contact a member of the photo team. Next, she'll go to the lens that she checked out and make sure that nothing is cracked or broken at all. That means the lens cover or the lens itself or the UV part of the lens. It's good. So now she's ready to go shoot. If you want to check out a camera just for the hour, there's a clipboard on the camera cabinet where you can fill out all the same information as the binders and then take it for the hour, and then once it's returned, you can check the box after you've taken your pictures. After a long weekend of shooting football pictures, Bella's ready to get her camera pictures downloaded. So she'll take her camera body, put it on this shelf, and then fill out all the information necessary. Her name, the date she's returning it, the camera name and which number it is, and which folder she wants her pictures downloaded in. In between the highlighted lines on this sheet is for photo team members only to fill out. And then you will put if your camera is charged or not, which it should be because you had it all weekend or all night. Should Bella forget to charge her camera the night before she has to return it, she will alert one of the photo team members immediately and they will charge it for her. A repeated offense of not charging your camera will result in points being taken off on your photo deadline. After your camera's on the shelf, Bella will come back and return her lens. She'll put the lens back in the correct drawer, take her Velcro, and put it away.
After the camera was downloaded, one of the photo team members will enter back into the camera room, put it back, take your Velcro off for you, and place it in the correct spot. Doing the check-in and check-out process is very important to make sure that all the photo team knows where all the equipment is and so that your pictures get downloaded and ready for the spreads.
Never download your own photos.
Always charge your
battery.
camera.